Now, are you ready to get started? Well, right here I have a cooler. The cooler was invented about 300 years ago, all the way over there in England. You actually can't see it right now because there's a giant wall in the way, because people wanted to put the coolest things that they had inside. Well, inside this cooler, I just happen to have the coolest thing that I have. As a matter of fact, it is so cold, I have to wear these safety gloves. Inside this cooler, I have dry ice. Now I have a question for all of you. Is the dry ice hot or is it cold?
Cold.
What do you think? Hot, cold?
Cold.
Which one? Hot, cold?
Cold.
It is actually 109 degrees below zero. That is how cold the dry ice is. So, if I drop the dry ice on the ground, do you guys pick it up?
No.
No. If you were to touch this dry ice with your bare fingers, it would freeze the moisture in your fingertips, and you would not be able to play video games or Angry Birds for 4 whole weeks. I know, that is why you should never touch the dry ice with your bare hands. All right, everybody, close your eyes. Stick out your hand. Don't worry, it won't hurt that much, because we're going to do an experiment in our mind today. Imagine that you're all holding an ice cube in your hands. What's happening to that ice cube?
Melting.
It's melting, absolutely right. Everybody open your eyes. Now, does this dry ice, does it melt? No. When you heat up dry ice, does it turn into water?
Yeah.
No. That's actually why we call it dry ice. As a matter of fact, when you heat up the dry ice, it turns directly from a solid to a gas. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your SAT word of the day. Never too early to start studying. When something turns from a solid to a gas, is it called evaporation? No. That's when a liquid turns into a gas. Is it called condensation? No, that's when a gas turns into a liquid. Is it called precipitation? No, we've had too much of that call this morning. Is it called procrastination? No, but I will tell each and every single one of you about that next week. When something turns from a solid to a gas, it is called sublimation. Everybody say that word with me one time. Sublimation. Perfect. I need a volunteer. Let's see. Who should I pick? You know what, everybody? Put your hands down. I am going to teach each and every single one of you how to get picked at every single show you go to from now until the time you turn age 13. First things first, sit crisscross applesauce. Crisscross applesauce, very saucy. I like that. Then, sit straight up and down, so I can see your excellent posture. Perfect. Then I want you to put a big smile on your face so it looks like you're having a good time. I see some trips to the dentist in your future. Then I want you to look me straight in the eyes so that I know that you're focused. Wow, excellent focus. Then take one hand, stick it straight up in the sky, just like that. Spread your fingers for maximum coverage. A little bit further. Perfect. Then, only wiggle your hand. If you wiggle anything else, you'll look like a loose cannon or that guy, and you'll never get picked. Also, do not shout out, me. Instead, if you guys want to explode today, help me with some really cool experiments, I want you all to hum. Hum. Let me hear you. Hum.